Soaking coriander seeds before planting is crucial, as it significantly enhances germination rates and promotes healthy growth. This technique consistently yields better results compared to planting them dry. Hydroponic cultivation emerges as a premier technique for growing coriander, showcasing its efficiency in utilizing water and cocoa peat for optimal growth. This method enables gardeners to cultivate coriander year-round. The video addresses prevalent misconceptions about growing coriander in summer, clarifying that with the right care, it can prosper during this season. It carefully contrasts the planting techniques for summer and winter. Patience in gardening is vital, as achieving good results often requires waiting days or even months for seeds to germinate properly. Understanding this can greatly enhance your gardening experience. Maintaining moisture control is critical for seed growth. The video elaborates on how to sustain proper humidity levels using airtight containers and cotton cloths, ensuring optimal conditions for germination. Sunlight exposure plays a significant role in seed growth. The video recommends striking a balance, avoiding excessive sunlight or shade, to create an ideal environment for your plants. Utilizing kitchen waste as a growing medium not only enhances sustainability in gardening but also reduces waste while fostering healthy plant growth. This method promotes environmentally friendly practices. Regular care and updates on plant growth foster a sense of community among viewers. Engaging with the audience facilitates knowledge sharing and the exchange of gardening experiences. Teaching gardening techniques embodies positive values and aligns with the Sunnah of the Prophet, promoting beneficial practices. This approach underscores the importance of sharing knowledge. The blue cloth demonstrated remarkable root growth and began shedding leaves, a sign of healthy regrowth. This instance emphasizes the impact of proper care on successful plant development. Similarly, the black cloth exhibited excellent results, showcasing strong roots and new plant growth. This highlights the effectiveness of the methods employed, as different cloths can yield varying outcomes. The speaker encourages viewers to maximize limited spaces by growing vegetables on rooftops, sharing personal anecdotes of successful planting. This practice promotes sustainable gardening. Various seed growing methods are discussed, including hydroponic systems and traditional soil planting. Each method possesses its unique benefits, catering to diverse gardener preferences. The video reiterates the necessity of patience in the growth process, illustrating how roots develop over time and the indicators of healthy plants, which is crucial for success. Showcasing different stages of plant growth emphasizes the formation of seeds and roots, effectively illustrating the success of the techniques utilized throughout the process. Shading plants from direct sunlight is essential to prevent exposure to threats like mosquitoes, underscoring its importance for maintaining healthy growth. Employing organic methods such as chili and vinegar for pest control promotes a healthier growing environment, minimizing chemical exposure and safeguarding the plants. The video actively encourages viewer engagement, inviting opinions and comments. This interaction bolsters a sense of community centered around gardening and plant care.